Hello everyone, this is Dr. Anam Zahir, and today I'm back with my next book review, which is 7th book review of textbook of homeopathic therapeutics in obstetrics by none other than Dr. Rohit Deshpande. So watch this video till end, and I'll be telling you what are the pros and the cons and why it is a must-have book. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, do not forget to hit the bell icon. So let's get started. As we all know that obstetric is a field of science which mainly concentrates on pregnancy, childbirth, postpartum, and as you can see the look of the book, it is a hardbound book, green in color. It has 252 pages and published by Deshpande Publications. It is available at Amazon and at Homeopathic Junction. Okay, now I would like to tell you about the author. As I don't know that whether he needs any introduction. He is Dr. Rohit Deshpande, and he is a homeopath practicing in Nasik, and he's been known for his perfect diagnosis and medication. He has become very popular author among students after his publication of 3 books, Clinical Comparative Materia Medica, in which he compared medicines, plant remedies from various system of medicines. Another one, the textbook of ophthalmology, and number 3, the therapeutic book of gynecology. So he has dedicated all these books to his parents. The foreword of this book is written by Dr. Rehana Sheikh, who itself is MD in homeopathy. Coming up next is the content of the book. So after introduction, 30 chapters are given, and they are alphabetically arranged from abnormal uterine action to threatened abortion. With each clinical condition, top 10 homeopathic remedies are given which are clinically verified. In introduction part, he has clearly mentioned importance of therapeutic study for examination purpose as well as for clinical use. In this book, author has not just considered the particular symptoms but the pathology and physical journals like thermal, thirst, aversion, desire, everything with each remedy. For example, I give you an example like clinical condition like recurrent miscarriage. So after definition, you can see the top 10 remedies are given and their important clinical indications are given along with general modalities. Now I will take you to the scope of the book. As we all know that pregnancy is very crucial time, and even my peers, they have a limitation to prescribe modern drugs in such a beautiful phase of life. These books open wide scope to study and practice more and more confidence, giving to the budding homeopaths so they can prescribe drugs to pregnant lady as well. Drugs are given with the modalities, so it is very much easy to study them and to compare them. This book suits perfect to complete the syllabus of BHMS 3rd year, and it's a must-have edition for all the students. So in last, I would like to tell you that there is an afterword given, and author has given all the details, how to contact him, his email ID, his social media handles, his website and everything. So in case you have any queries, so you can directly contact to Dr. Rohit Deshpande. So I hope you have liked the review, and if you buy this, do not forget to tag me as soon as you receive the book. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy. Homeopathy heals.